Good afternoon and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. Today we're taking a look at a 2008 Fontaine 48 foot by 102 aluminum combo with a universal mounting kit. Folks, this unit is in beautiful condition. It has been sandblasted, primed, and repainted. It has a brand new kingpin plate. All the guts inside have been replaced and repaired. This 2008 is in great shape, ready to go for you again. Folks, you can see the underside. All the joists have been recoated. As we come down the passenger side, you can see a brand new buyer's toolbox. This unit is a tandem air ride with a universal kit on the back. Folks, you can see the tire condition. 225 white reaffirmed outer rim, brand new pads on this unit. Folks, this air ride is in excellent condition. All air lines have been checked, wiring checked, and ready to come work for you, folks. As we get to the back, you can see the universal mounting kit will carry a Moffett, a Princeton, and many other brands. This aluminum combo deck is in great condition also. 225 refurbed outer rim, excellent tire condition, 80% or better all the way around this unit. Folks, our trailers and trucks come with brand new straps ready to come work for you. Folks, this is Equipment Remarketing. We're taking a look at a 2008 Fontaine 48 by 102. Give us a call at Equipment Remarketing, 260-238-4998. Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com. You can take a look at our available forklifts, Moffetts, and Princetons. Also our trucks and trailers that are available for sale. We have many units coming up for sale. Just give us a call and we can see if we can fit your needs. Our number again is 260-238-4998.